look, you want to be Haitian right now, right? And I'm going to make 2,000 people go in your life, but right after you be Haitian, you're going to have 2,000 people in your life right now. I love Nigeria, and we are going to make you be Haitian right now, and we all going to support you. From today, you are going to be a Haitian superstar. I say it. You are going to repeat after me. Yes, repeat after me. Repeat after me.
Okay. Okay.
You are going to repeat after me. Guys, je vais convertir nation ça, Nigérienne sans haïtienne. Et puis, n'a fait mes pays. You got 11,000 people on my side right now. Look, can you say Haiti?
Okay. Haiti.
My country.
My country.
My beautiful country.
My beautiful country.
Today,
I
love you.
I love you.
And I change to be with you.
And I change to be with you.
Haiti, please hug me.
Please hug me.
Right now.
Oh.
Demi moun al kote la. Tout table right now. Haitian. Right now, you are Haitian now. You are Haitian now. You are not Nigerian. You are Haitian now. You are Haitian now. Demi moun al kote la. You are Haitian now. We love you. We love you. You got 3,000 people right now. Welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. You got 4,000. Gotta be sensitive. Be sensitive. What do you guys say?
Et si au lieu de soumettre aux méthodes, on demandait à Dieu de nous prêter l'effort. La vie est simple quand on sait ce qui
La fait screenshot. La fait screenshot. La fait screenshot. La fait screenshot.
Les nombreux exploits des mercenaires.
Et puis Haïti côté là.
De gloire et de fierté.
Comme tout par la communauté internationale là.
Liberté.
The community, the international community. Listen, we are the most united people in the nation. We are Haiti, second to none. We are the mother of the liberty. We are the law.